Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing a Z28 grill on my 2015 Camaro SS. Right now it's torn apart because I'm doing an alternator on it, but the alternator I ordered was the wrong one, so there's one coming in the mail right now. But we're going to go ahead and pull the bumper off real quick. Three of these on either side, maybe four. There's 7 mils.
You get grills or something?
Z28 grills.
Okay, check this out.
All right, now on both sides we have a couple of Phillips head. I lied. Then we have a couple T20 Torx bits. There's a few, 3 on each side. There's another 7 mil right up in here. Oop. One just like this on either side. Keep it separate from the other 7 mils. It has a smaller washer. And once you've done that, there's a 10 mil. There are 3 10 mils on the inside here. Lost that one, that's fine. Now we can pull these. Now we can go ahead and pull this off and replace the grills. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and put the bumper back on. I've gone ahead and pulled the side markers out because we're going to be replacing those, but the new Z28 grill is in and looks pretty good. Alrighty, let's get some hardware in it. There we go. That's 3 on this side. We'll come back here in a second to button up all this. I still got to put the 10 mil here and that 7 mil in here. All right, there's one. All right, middle one's in. All right, let's try to get in there. And that is our third one. We can push this liner kind of up into place. We can do the 10 mil now. And our 7 mil. Here's our 7. And then, ooh, when our side marker comes in, we'll be good to go. All right. Just like that, it's done. The alternator hasn't come in yet, so I'll hook the alternator up whenever I get the side markers too, and we'll see how it looks. That Z28 grill looks awesome.